Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to auto-create multiple folders. If you have a unique requirement to create so many folders, hundreds and thousands of folders, and keep saving these individual files and organize in such a way that these files are saved inside those created folders. So if one has to create hundreds of folders, it will definitely take so much of time. So I highly recommend this video for that unique requirement. If you feel this video is useful and you like this video, then please subscribe this channel. So let me start with showing you how to do that. So if you have a folder inside which you have different files, and if you would want to create a folder named year 2015 and you would want to save this file inside that folder, and similarly for all these individual files as well. So if you do that individually, it will definitely take so much of time, but instead of that, there is a very easy way to do so. So first of all, inside this folder where you have all these individual files, you create a new text document. Okay. So the name of the text document by default will be new text document.txt. Do not do anything to that, but just double click that. And I'm pasting a code which I have for automatically doing this activity. So I paste this code. So this code will be available in my description section. You can make use of that. So you paste this code here, close this file, save it. And now you rename this file to be organize.bat. You would also need to remove the extension of .txt. Just call it organize.bat. Then enter it. It will say that if you change a file name extension, the file might become unusable. Are you sure you want to change it? You would say yes. Okay. After entering yes, as you can see, the file name has now changed from txt file to a batch file. Now watch it carefully. You would simply have to now double click this file. The moment you double click this file, automatically you will see folders being created for these individual files. So I'll double click it. See, it worked and it automatically created folders. And if you go inside a specific folder, you would see that file being saved inside it. I'm sure this will be a useful video. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.